precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations of 3 to 5 inches and ice accumulations of around 1/10 of an inch expected. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. The areas affected include portions of central, east central, and west central Indiana. The hazardous conditions are expected from 4 a.m. Saturday to 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday.
Finally got one of these.
Details, plan on slippery road conditions. Patchy blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. A winter storm warning means significant amounts of snow, sleet, and ice will make travel very hazardous or impossible. The latest road conditions for Indiana can be obtained by calling 1-800-261-7623.
Yeah, it's happening in our area.
Here is a winter weather statement.